Hello guys, I'm here at my grandson wedding. As you can see, it's a rural area, rural village over here. Okay guys, just take a look. So the way they set up is very nice. And here is the
បាទឥឡូវលក្ខណៈមានចាបងបាទថ្ងៃនេះផងដែរខាងលោកផ្លូវចិត្តមហាក៏បានមកគោរពវិជាឲ្យយើងទៅពីអ្នកជ្រៀងរៀបរាប់បេះប្រឡែងនៅផ្នែកខននៅលើល្វីច័ន្ទជលមេបាននាងណាចាបងបាទឥឡូវឃើញតែពេលវេលាយើងបានហើយថ្ងៃវាកាន់តែរៀបពោះណាស់ទៅហើយធ្វើដំណើរទៅចំការខាងកូនកំឡោះតែម្ដងទៅណានាងចាបងអត់មែនហើយបងឥឡូវយើងទៅពីអ្នកកុំព្រះអង្គយកអីព្រោះចការរបស់យើងក៏នៅឆ្ងាយហើយថ្ងៃហ្នឹងក៏រៀបពោះហើយបើចឹងយើងប្រញាប់ធ្វើដំណើរទៅណាបងបាទបង
Okay.
That's a big man right there. Cắt chó là
chó là
cho nào
nhấm lên thuyền
phải tao đâu sao không
ไปนาบองโปรตาไทยตรงกลางมันอยู่ให้ตรงกลางเป็นไทยบางคนในการทำ
បាទបាទឥឡូវសូមអនុញ្ញាតជើញ
យកอะไรជាស្រីស្ដាប់
បាទលោកគ្រូសូមគោរពអញ្ជើញ
so many of them. So many of them, they not even bother to pick it up and throw it away. Let's take a look. I love to show you guys how the foods is made. This is behind the scene, guys. Look at chilies, bean sprouts, herbs, chickens, lots of chickens, lot of vegetable. Hello, Soktabai. Soktabai. Hello. Bò bò hả kìa? Bò bò, ok. So this called bò bò krương nè. Bò krương, ok. Wow. They have 2, 3, 1 big pots. Wow. Oh, look at that over there. So this is a hot pot, guys. This is rice. Dambai, eh? Oh, okay, dambai. Traditional way, guys. Look at this. You guys plug and play, but she have to watch the so the rice don't overcook. If you do, you're gonna look like this. Anh ấy bay cái đăng. Đây nè. Xong tích ban. Okay, so this bay cái đăng, guys. Hello. Wow, wow. It's a hot pot right here. Thơ ca bà bạ. Bay chưa hả? So there's pig farming in the back. So this is a rural farm area. Behind me, that's a rice field, and that's what they do. They raising animals, chicken, duck, pig, and then do the farming. When the season is coming, they do the farming, and that's how they survive. That's how they make their income. Oh, this is the tray planning. Anh ấy chiên nè. Chiên nó bình. All right. Đi mòn chầm hôi. Let's go look over there. It's hot, guys. It's hot and smoky. Hello. For bò hả?
Yeah.
Bò. My goodness, that's a big there. Wow, looks good. Big there hả?
Ăn muối hơn.
Ăn hả? Đúng hả? Mấy ăn hả? Đúng hả? Nào à? Bò krương nữa. Yeah, look at that wood burning. Maybe you guys don't want to see this. That's oil. Rampong tray, okay, yeah. The oil kind of dark. I don't know how the quality of it. Yeah, I'd like to show you the back state or the back scene. And he preparing for chicken something over there. Okay. Okuntran. Very friendly people. That's why I love Cambodian. They're not iron. They love to interact with you. Look guys, look. Cambodia. Đại. Còn mà này.
Rất nó mùi không?
Rất nó mùi, nó sạch hoài.
Văn miền. Văn hiền không?
when they saw the camera, they smile. That's how beautiful Cambodian ladies are. They always smile at you. So this Krom Krusa. It's all my family here. Mother, my sister, my my sister, everybody. This is my brother. Jamba This is my sister here. This is my older sister right here. That's a relative, all my relatives. It's my cousin, her daughter. And here's a big family, guys. Okay. Hello.
Tia tôi tập tia này xem.
Oh, hello. Bác, làm mấy? Rong lỗ. Rong sờ bài. There you go. I was wait for that moment. Watch. Mấy vô tập pi vậy?
Miên tập pi nữa. Anh đi miên tập pi.
It's something funny. Hello. Hi. Bye. Here's my mother, guys. If you're wondering how old she is, she went through 3 generations. No? Yeah, mine. There's another big family over here. Thấy bó vậy? Chẳng dân nhằm ấy.
Em xài tấu nè, em xài nè. Cảm ơn các bạn này. Nghề hao đây.
Nghề hao cái nào?
Con trai. When the time to get married, it's like the whole family come together. You want to speak English to American audience? Hello. Do you enjoy your cousin?
Yes, and
Your cousin wedding.
in Cambodia, but the marriage is so tired.
It take 3 days intensive work. That is tiring, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, guys. Bye bye.